beautiful people, it's Jess and I'm here with a new video. In today's video we will be doing a cash stuffing with $451 and we're putting that into our variable expenses. If that's something that you think you may like, please stay tuned. So as always, we are starting off with a cash and counting the cash. Like I mentioned earlier, we have $451. So that's how much money that we are going to put into our variable expenses. So we have 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, 395, 400. 405, 410, 415, 420, 425, 430, 435, 440, 445, 46, 47, 48, 49, 450, 451. Alright, so with gas, I have some ones left over for gas. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to add this to my $1 challenge. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm just going to add it to that. I do intend on doing a video soon for my challenges, just me stuffing them. As we're doing 80 for 2 weeks worth, so I'm going to start off with the 20s. I'm going to do 20, 40, 60, and then I'm going to do 210, 60, 70, 80. So that's my gas for 2 weeks worth, my gas and my tolls. So 20, 40, 60, 70, and 80. And I'm going to put that to the side because I'm going to put that in my envelope. Okay, this isn't the right spot. So I added 80 and that gives me a balance of 80 for gas. Alright, my Luna binder, which is where I keep my variable expenses, and we are starting off with groceries. Groceries is currently empty, so for groceries we currently have a balance of $0, and we are doing $200. I'm gonna grab the 50s, so that's the 250s, that's 100, and then I'm gonna do $80 and 20, so 20, 40, 60, 80, and then 2 and 10s, 80, 90, 100. So I have 200. I have 200 for groceries. Alright, so next up is spending, and for spending we're going to do $50. I'm going to grab the 20s again. I'm going to do a 20, a 40, and then 2 5s, so 50. We were at 0 if you notice. So spending, we're at 0, we're adding 50. So that leaves us at 50. Up is family. So our family fund this time around is currently at 0. We are adding $38 to family, which will give us a balance of $38. So I'm going to do that 20. So I have 20, a 10, 30, a 5, 35, and then 36, 37, 38. So we have $38, and we're putting that into our family. And in our beauty, we have some money in here. So in beauty, we currently have 5, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have $15. And we are adding another $15. So I am going to do all 5s for that. So I have 5, 10, 15. So currently we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we currently have 30 in beauty. So we added 15, so that gives us 30. Our kids fund, we're currently at 0 for kids. So we're at 0. We are adding to our kids fund $25. So that gives us a balance of $25. And we are gonna do 2 10s, 10, 20, and a 5. So 25 into our kids fund. And in our clothes fund, we have some money in here. So let's see, we have $3. We are adding $30 to clothes, which will give us $33. So we are going to do 10, 20, 25, 30. So with our 3, we have 33. $33 in clothes. Kempa is my dog, and he has a lot of ones. He definitely needs a bill exchange. We have 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So he has $26 currently, and we are adding into Kempa's account $10. So I'm gonna do 5 and a 10. So $10. So he has $36 now. So we had 26 plus 10 is 36. So $36 for Kempa. And Kempa definitely is overdue for a bill exchange. So hopefully I'll get one out for you guys soon. Next up we have gifts. Gifts currently has $20, $40, $45, $47, $48, $49, $50, $51, $52, $53, $54. So we have $54 in gifts. We are adding the last $3 I have. So 54, 55, 56, 57. So we currently have $57 in our gifts. And we have investing here, but investing, I think I'm going to move it into my purple binder because it is a more long-term goal. So we won't be stuffing that today. And that's it. That sums up my video. Thank you for stopping by and watching my video. If this is your first time here, I welcome you to become a subscriber and follow me on my debt-free journey. If you are returning back, thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. And I will catch you on the next one.